Hey, good morning everyone. It's another week. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend, and to all mothers out there, happy Mother's Day in arrears, you know. For today's makeup face mask, I'm gonna be using a bunch of stuff. I have my oatmeal powder here. Here I'm gonna be using nutmeg powder. I already grind it, so I'm just gonna put everything here. All I did was put one nutmeg in here and turn it into powder form. So one nutmeg. I'm gonna be using my orange peel powder, 1 teaspoon of the orange peel powder, and I'm gonna be using turmeric powder also. My skin loves turmeric, so I always like to have turmeric in my face mask. Then I'll be using milk to mix everything together. With this you can use honey, you can use lemon juice, you can use milk depending on what you want at that moment, you know. So but for me, I'm gonna be using milk to to make it into a paste. And the content of your milk depends on what consistency you want, you know. So it depends on how thick you want it to be. Here we are. I have everything right here. As you can see, I think I need some more milk. This is a way to do things at home to do your face mask with things you already have in your kitchen, without you going to the store and buying all those expensive products, you know. You can improvise, do things at home by yourself, and that way you're saving money for yourself. Doesn't have to be expensive. You don't have to spend to break your bank to look beautiful. Here is my finished product, and I'm just going to apply this and leave it for 30 minutes before washing it off. It smells so good. Now, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. I'm just gonna apply. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. That way you won't miss any video, you know. Subscribe and click the notification button so you'll be notified each time I post something on my YouTube channel. You can always do. I always like to apply to my neck. You can use this in any part of your body. Doesn't have to be face and neck alone. If you have the time, you can use it all over your body, you know. And that is it for today. I'm just gonna leave this for 30 minutes before washing it off. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.